Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Fola here. So in today's video, we'll be packing my hospital bag. At this time, we're already 37 weeks. So I have the hospital list right here. And yeah, baby can come any moment from now. So we have to be ready. So I'll be starting with the baby items on the list. And the first on the list, we have clothes and vest. I don't know, they put one quantity, but I'm taking more than one. I'm taking about 2 clothes, one slim suit, and about 2 pin down. So those are what I'm taking for the baby's clothes. I've not yet decided on the coming back home outfit for the baby, but I will do that and then add it to the bag. So those are the clothes. I changed my mind on that sleep suit, one of the sleep suits I took. So I'm dropping that one behind. And then the next we have the towel. I'm taking this towel for baby and flannel. I'm taking 2 flannels and one shawl. So believe 2 will be okay because even on the list it was 1. So 2 flannels and 1 shawl. Then we have the diaper. We had to get this mini diaper of 12 pieces. So instead of removing from a big pack, so we just go with this small pack. Then we have the coconut oil, the natural soap, and the shea butter. All these are part of what I got from the hospital package. So they are all going in the bag. Then we have this stainless flask. So we just got 1 liter of this flask, which is also going. Then I have mittens. Now on the list, it's just 1. I had to take 2. I also took 2 socks, which is not on the list. I don't know why, but I'm going with 2 mittens and 2 socks. Taking 2 caps. Now, caps are not also included, but I had to go with them, and also the antiseptic I mentioned. So they are all going into the bag. And I'm also going with combs. I had to take these 2 out of a set of 12 that I got. And that is just it for the baby. So what is included that I've not added now are the sponge, the soap case, and yeah, and the coming back home outfit. So for the mother, I'm starting with this packet of sanitary pad. It was written 4 on the list. So we are going with all the 4 packs. These are also part of the hospital package, like what we paid for at the hospital. And then I'm going with these wipes. It is not included on the list, but I just decided to go with it. And also we have the washed clothes. I had to take these 2 wash clothes for baby. Then I have the Nightingale towel. That is the Honda Lee. This is also requested for baby. A cut net. A net just to cover the baby's cut. Then for me, I'm going with these disposable pants. I got 2 packs, which I'll be making use of, and 2 wrappers. on the list. So I'm going with these two wrappers as well. And we have the cotton wool. I need to get one more of this cotton wool. So I'll be adding it to the bag. And then that's the cup I'll be going with. I still need to add my beverage as well. So that is pretty much all what we have for the hospital list. So right now I'm 90% ready concerning the hospital bag. Yes, we are 90% ready. So we just need to get one or two things to complete the list, and then we are good to go. Yeah. So guys, thank you so much for being part of this journey. Thank you. The journey has been beautiful and we can't wait to meet our beautiful baby. And guys, as I've always said it, for everyone believing God for this kind of blessing, the Lord will surprise you. The Lord will grant your heart desires. And you will carry your baby in Jesus' name. So that's all we have. I'll just repack the bag and make some items fit in so that there will be enough space for other things. Also, I still need to add my own hospital gown and then my coming home outfits. So I will find space to add all that. I'll find space to add them and then we'll be ready. Thank you guys for joining me in this video. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, please do that now. Click on the subscribe button and subscribe. Also turn on the post notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a new video. And don't forget to also like and share this video. So guys, we are ready. So thank you for joining me. I'm just going over the list to know what is remaining, what is left, and what needs to be added. So we are good to go, 90% ready. Thank you guys for joining me. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.